She's watching the bird across the street drinking water. Thinking of crossing the street, but we're not going to do that now, are we, Mallory? You know where the crosswalk is. She always tries to cross early right here. But nope, stay on the sidewalk. Stay on the sidewalk, Mallory. This girl. Okay, I guess we're running. All right, we're back on the safe side. Do you want me to remove your harness? Yes, you do. Go on, girly. Go on and be free. She's looking to go through here, but she knows better. That doesn't mean she does better, but she knows better. It's nice how after a couple of days rain, everything starts to look green again. Yes, I know we are home. You walk so nicely. I love it. Go on. Go on. Go on. Of course, she doesn't come to my side. She goes to the neighbor's side. I don't know why she likes doing that. Here she's going to go under the neighbor's car. There she is. I know, you're sleepy. Yeah, she's waking up. She's like, let me out, let me out. Okay. She was at the door waiting already. I thought I'd have to wait a bit. But she was down from her perch and out. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Say good morning. Where are you going? Okay, she's going to hang out with Mallory under that car. Happy Caturday. Bye. Yeah, another stretch. You sleepyhead.